Rawalpindi's Alam Khan Road is old Rawalpindi's memorable place. Alam Khan Road nowadays is a busy connecting road between DAV College Road and Committee Chowk. Earlier, it was only a residential lane known as Chachi Mohalla, where well-to-do people had constructed houses of brilliant architecture. Very few of the masterpieces are left now, but even today, these beautiful buildings put a mesmerizing spell on the viewers and tell the hidden tales of the past glory which are not known to many people. Alam Khan's Road old buildings have now changed into modern plazas, and thus the stories linked to them are buried and forgotten. This two-story building with beautiful wooden balcony is still standing tall and showing the real old value. Come, let us delve into the story.
नाजरीन, मैं हूं खुर्रम भट्ट और आप देख रहे हैं बटगुमानिया चैनल। नाजरीन, मेरे अकब में आप ये कदीम खूबसूरत इमारत देख रहे हैं। ये भारत के एक मशहूर फनकार बलराज साहनी की रिहाइशगाह थी। ये उनकी जन्म भूमि भी थी। यहाँ वो पैदा हुए और उन्होंने जवानी के बहुत सारे साल गुजारे।
Bilraj Sahni was a legendary Indian actor who ruled the Indian film industry for 3 decades.
मौसम था वो बहार का, दिल थे मचल गए, सपनों की महफिल में हम तुमने मंजिल आए हमें नजर का, देखो जी देखो, मीठी अदा से जलने वाले जले अपनी पला से। हाँ फरेबे आरज़ू मुझको कहाँ लाया, मैं अपने आप से घबरा गया हूँ। मेरे प्यारे वतन है, मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझको दिल को दुबारा, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान।
He used to put life into his character by his acting, also known as the Dilip Kumar of the older days. Bilraj Sahni's first movie in Saaf was released in 1946, after which he gained popularity. He appeared in more than 120 films and proved that he was the best. Bilraj Sahni continued to reign in the hearts of his film viewers, but he himself left his heart and memories in Rawalpindi. He has mentioned the love he had for his birthplace in many interviews. Tears fill his eyes whenever he goes down the memory lane. Bilraj Sahni has spent his early childhood days there. Bilraj Sahni's father bought his house on 1st May 1913. Standing in the window, he used to watch the older day traffic of bullock carts. After partition, this building was allotted to a migrated Muslim family whose 3rd generation is still living here. Come, let us visit inside.
जी, मेरा नाम जो है राइज़ शान है जी। मेरे वालिद साहब जो हैं राना अब्दुल हमीद, और जो हमारे दादा जो थे मलिक मोहम्मद खान। सिंस पार्टीशन जो है हम यहाँ पे इस घर में रह रहे हैं, और ये घर जो है हमारे दादा को अलॉट हुआ था। बेसिकली हमारे दादा और हमारी पूरी फैमिली जो है वो हिजरत करके पाकिस्तान में आए थे, और हम बिलोंग करते हैं तलवंडी राय से, ज़िला लुधियाना और तहसील जिगरामा। तो दादा को ये मकान अलॉट हुआ, 47 में वो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हुए। तो दिलीप कुमार से पहले जो सुपरस्टार थे इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के, बिलराज साहनी, उनका ये घर है। और उनके सफ़रनामे भी उन्होंने इस चीज़ का जिक्र किया है कि जी मेरी जन्मभूमि जो है वो रावलपिंडी में, मकान नंबर आई 29, आलम खान रोड, छाछी मोहल्ला, रावलपिंडी। और अल्लाह के फजल से हमें बड़ा खुशी होती है इस चीज़ की, एक हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस है। ऑब्वियसली वो उसकी बड़ी वो एक फीलिंग्स होती हैं। कि जी हम एक इंडियन सुपरस्टार के घर में रह रहे हैं, और इस तरह काफ़ी मशहूर शख्सियात जो वो इस इलाके में रहा करती थी, और ये बड़ा पोश किस्म का एरिया उस दौर में भी कंसिडर किया जाता था.
Next to the main gate on the left side are the stairs which leads to the first floor. An old ceiling fan which is from the past is still functioning properly and serving the purpose. The guest rooms, the courtyard and the kitchen is almost the same, but the hosts have been changed. Some modern furniture has been added into this house. The old windows and air vents continue to give fresh air and light, which are blessings from Almighty and doesn't belong to any religion. All the wooden doors have the same locks and latches. We can only understand Bilraj's feeling if we try to open our heart and in tune with his memories. Bilraj's father was a teacher who got this building constructed by the famous architecture Karim Bucks, according to his tastes. This is the door Bilraj Sahni used to run towards his father. These are the stairs which helped Bilraj to achieve success, from which he never came down. In this place, Bilraj Sahni spent his early childhood days playing and studying. Then he went to Lahore for further studies. Bilraj's deep passion for acting made him leave this place for London, from where he came back and joined the Mumbai film industry. At the time of partition 1947 riots, Bilraj's father was alone in this house, while Bilraj Sahni's brothers and sisters were in different cities. In 1962, Bilraj Sahni returned to Pakistan, Rawalpindi, and visiting his birthplace once again, he wept. He died in 1973 in India by a heart attack, but his birthplace still exists in Alam Khan Road, Rawalpindi, Pakistan.